Yes, no?
Also, the lama. This is a peak hour because have another one. That one going to Lama. Another one. Look at that. So this is. It will do the other side. Because Lama have two, right?
No, wow, only one ferry for both sides.
Really? Oh yeah, because remember last time we stopped on the other side.
Maybe this one not going.
Stand by because this arrived.